Alright guys, I got a Acura MDX over here. I'm just gonna make a quick video on how to replace the rear strut. Excuse my voice, I'm a little sick right now, but we're gonna get this done. So what you want to do is you want to jack the whole rear end up right there, and then I got my jack stand right here. Take the wheel off. Lug nuts are size 22mm. So what you're gonna do is you have two 17mm bolts right here. Take this one off, and then we're gonna take this one off too. So let's do it. That's one. You can see the whole suspension kind of dropped a little bit. Take this off. It's off. We're gonna try to push it down a little bit. Then we're gonna pull up. Very easy. Now this is the new one right here. I think he bought it from Amazon. I think that's the part number. So I'm gonna leave the strap on for now. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. And then we're gonna slide the longer bolt right down here. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand while holding the phone, so let me align everything first, then I'll get back to it. All right, so I got the bottom bolt right in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut the strap. So you can see it's going up, but once it goes up all the way up, it's not reaching it exactly. So that's why we have this little jack over here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to raise up the suspension a little bit. I'm gonna jack it up right here, right there. Right. So once we jack it up slowly, you're gonna see it slowly adjusting to it. All right guys, so we got this one aligned. Go ahead and torque it. And we're gonna do the bottom one too. That's it. Very easy. I already did the other side. This is the old one here. Yeah, this one's pretty bad. But yep. This video helped you guys. Please click on the subscribe button. If you got any questions, just comment below. And again, thank you for watching.